Oh guys, today I'm gonna check out some Splinterlands, ways to make money, and play the game. Fun game, if you haven't played it, I recommend you to try it. It takes some time to get into it, but when I first looked at it I was like, what is this shit? But now, I'm addicted. I love the game, let's check it out. So, just gonna reduce myself small. So here is my account. One of them I have two accounts just for if you see a battle, you get this quest and you get one of these. You can get cards in this and other shit. Pretty much cards and shit. So what you get from this, if you like, you get good cards. Epic cards I got them. I don't know if you can get legendary cards, probably. Need to check that out. Then you also have this staking thing. Based on your DEC crystals, this you get for playing the game above bronze 2. Collection power, the power of your collection. You get a total airdrop points, 3,267 I have of. Yeah, this is total amount. So each 24 hours I think you get an airdrop here, you claim it, and then you can stake this. And to say I have not invested anything on this account. SPS I got a free SPS, I got them $1 for claiming and staking. I get here 45% a year, and I believe in this game, so I just take it out, stake it, take it out, stake it all the time. And the better I get, the more I will get here. Super good way to make money. Then we have here, if you check this out, you have the capture rate. If you didn't know, 84%. Usually you should play each day, so you get down to 73%, something like that. Then you can play, wait till the next day, where I have two accounts. I can play down to 25 games, 6, 27, 30 games, something like that. You can play each day, because when this goes down, your payment for each game also goes down. So to make the most money, you play 25 games each day. Unless it's the end of the season, like here, I get $7. So last week I got shit, I think. Yeah, two cards. This one is pretty good, a rare card, so not super bad. $2 I might got from that one that week, pretty much just by playing. And here, this increases for each rank you climb up, and you need collection power. This is the most annoying part when you're new to the game. You cannot climb up the league because I'm lacking 1,700 power to unlock the next league. Then you start making some real DEC. I was up with silver 3 once, I think, but you need to find to borrow collection power and make profit on it. So it's a math calculation if you want to do that. I've done it sometimes. When I find good deals, I do it. I have auto buy on also, so it keeps climbing, and I look Splinter Alert and find some good deals sometimes. So I hope I get up to bronze 1 before day 7. It also gets more expensive to rent when this starts to end, because people want this reward. So what did I do with this game? Pretty much I invested in free cards on this account. Can you guess which free cards? I bought this one, Creeping Owls, really good one. One cost, reduce the speed of all monsters. This can help you win a lot of games because of nothing. This one carries everything. He is super strong, super strong. And this one, these two together, you win in bronze most of the time. Also, one other way you can use Crowley. It's a green one, means all melee monsters take damage when they attack someone else. Really good one. I have it on my other account. There I have a little more invested, but this is my flipping account. Pretty much I usually flip. I buy cheap, sell high. So built some dark energy crystals and some cards. This one I got. I really like this card. Good card. This is assassin with a shield. Super strong. But let's check it out. Oh, we can check this out also. So in the shop here, you have the general sale. Now this is new. Oh, you make vouchers again. Then I can start buying packs. I want to buy packs, but you need vouchers and you need to stake. Annoying as hell. I think I will put in more money in this game and stake more to get to open these packs, because fun. Because I think you can buy them second-hand market, but that's too expensive. You don't want to do that. You can buy land, potions. Okay, you cannot buy land. You can buy potions. You don't want to buy potions. You don't need it. You get it every time, every day. Pretty much, not really, but most of them when you're lucky, you open it and looking for there. Events here, we have tournaments pretty much you can play. I never actually tried them. This is the entry cost, 6 SPS. No lane cards may be used. This event, blah 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 blah. And we actually win $736, 75 players, you have to be the best, or depends on how they ranked it now. Here what you get, 12.5 if you get 33 to 64. So you will make money, and the people, you can actually make this event yourself and make money on that, so everybody makes money except the losers, just like life. Well, let's get into the game, and we're gonna play. So this is what you do pretty much, is really just strategy. So here you get to see this guy. What has this guy played? Fire, he plays water, one card, I don't know that card. He has green, and it goes green, and it goes red. Well, here we have to do water, magic. So by this I can try to figure out what he's gonna play and see if he has some good cards that I need to counter or whatever. This one is new. Yeah, it's true, they released a brand new. Oh, this one is horrible. Oh, this one is horrible. It's gonna fuck me up real big. I think they reduced the magic. It's kinda sad. Oh, it's a new one. It's an enemy, it's all positive stats to hit on it. That is really revenue. So all negative effects on a monster in first position on the friendly team. Huh. Super strong. It's gonna be a really interesting season, because yeah, that's true, they changed everything now. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens now. I missed my Alaric at least. Alaric was crazy. Oh, sound. So now I got caught on the bed, pretty much. Did not expect everything to change this dramatically fast. I like the design on this ones. I have no clue what this is. That one's gone, but good, he's gonna attack this one. I miss. Ha! Well, sit down. Sit down. This is my favorite card, but I think it's gonna lose value now when they remove the magic. But I need to check the market if there's some way to get Alaric back again. I really want Alaric. Take water. Summers. There we have him. Does this mean I have to buy this one? It costs $70. It's a robbery. It's a fucking robbery. Who's this? Valamor. Oh my god. This is some huge amount of money. I don't want to buy that one. They change everything pretty much. It's gonna be really interesting to see where the game will go with this. Take another one. Hopefully it will get good. Oh, this is so many new. So many new. And this one is changing my magic deck. It's gonna put it to pieces. Is this a life card? It's a life one. And I removed a lot of my favorites. That's gonna change everything. So much. So, oh, we cannot put him there. So if you do like this. Oh, it's some free cards here. No. Hardy Stonefish. Chaos Agent. Okay. Interesting. Really interesting. I really need to start figuring out the new way of playing the game now. I have to go for magic. They're gonna kill my poor Jin. Okay, he's not gonna kill my poor Jin. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. Yeah, this is like over. They don't stand a chance. Yep. I didn't check the strategy. And we take another one for their turn. And try another deck. I think they changed a lot in the death deck, like reducing magic. Magic was super strong. I won like 20 of my 25 games when I play magic. They didn't stand a chance. Oh, woo. Kron is gonna go crazy. Kron is gonna go crazy. Scheiße. So if you take monsters, this change everything. The grass gets the magic now. Grass gonna be crazy. I really like that though, in some way. And this one. Oh, Jesus Christ. I have some things to do here. To set myself into, see if we can find 0 cost. That's really good. Port was the Furious Chicken. Here we have Kron. $441 for cheapest, but I think you will not get anything before here. I think this is taken. So 557. This guy gonna be mad. He's gonna be mad. Interesting. Really interesting. But we take one battle and we check it out. Did I just delete my battle? What happened? Yeah, whatever. I'm going to here. See what magic rounds I have. Oh, I can start building a pretty good deck without anything. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be truly awesome. I really love it. Really love it. These changes are amazing, and I think the game got more interesting. Even in the low ranks. The high ranks was different before. But I'm not there yet. But it will take some time, and then I'm there. So let's see. No, I forgot to check. Avios was too into. Oh, he's doing the same. Oh, too high sound. So we're gonna check this out. Happens. I think this is gonna be pretty even. Oh, he went with this one. Oh my god. Yeah, he's gonna murder me. Eating me for breakfast. And I played it really wrong also. Really badly. So if you place low health, you get destroyed. Of course, you have the Unicorn Mustang. That's murder. That is murder for sure. But there's a lot of new cards in the game. Interesting. Really interesting to see. And whoops. If you want to play in the game, you actually don't have to transfer crypto. You can transfer coins by with PayPal. One of few games that have this option. So, pretty good. Well, that's it for this video. So, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and I see you next time.